Okay, so as y'all can tell, I got my hair cut, and this is what it looked like before I got my hair cut, obviously. And I did get curtain bangs. Again, I missed those, and I missed my hair being a little shorter. But we are back and feeling great. Oh my gosh, my phone is about to fall. But yeah, I am feeling really good about this hair. And this is actually exactly what I wanted. Also, I also got some layers as well. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, I did film a little bit of like a before and a little bit of before I went in to get my hair cut. And then, yeah, so that's basically what I did. And just now, y'all saw me do that transition again. And yeah, I am really happy with my hair. And, so yeah, sorry I did not post anything yesterday. I wanted to save a video for the day that I got my haircut. So that is the day. Today's the day that I got my haircut. And yeah, my phone keeps wanting to fall. So right now it's 7:32. As y'all can tell, it's dark outside. And yeah, I think I'm actually gonna post this on a Wednesday instead of on a Tuesday. Tuesday is the actual day that I got my hair cut, as y'all can tell. But I think I'm just gonna post this on Wednesday instead. So y'all will see this like today. But today is Tuesday, but tomorrow will be Wednesday. So like it will be the 13th, I think. Oh my gosh. Anyways, if y'all have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Click the bell next to it so you never miss any of my brand new videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone. Okay, so I just did my hair. One side is tighter than the other. Just what I, thought would happen. But this is basically what it looks like with beach waves. And yeah, so this is what my hair looks like when it's like this. And I really just wanted to do some beach waves this morning because why not? And I also wanted to say I'm really sorry for not posting yesterday. I forgot to edit a video, or this video, and I also forgot to post it. So I'm really sorry about that. Instead of posting it yesterday, I am going to be posting this video today on Thursday the 14th. So that way y'all can see this video and y'all can see like what my hair looks like curled short, or what my hair looks like with beach waves. I guess it's more like beach waves than it is like curled or whatever. I forgot a piece. How did I forget a piece of hair? It's still hot, so don't worry. How do I manage to forget a piece of my hair? I literally just noticed that whenever I was putting on my watch. Oh, and also, by the way, it is 6:19 as well, and I'm about to have to leave to go wait for my bus outside. So yeah. Anyways, I need to actually answer my father and my friend Caitlin because she just texted me. So she's probably wondering if she can have a hug or something. I don't know. But we'll see. And yeah, so okay, sorry, I had to loosen up my watch a little bit because it was a little too tight on my wrist. But anyways, this is the look, and again, this side is like more of like done, and this side is more like tighter beach waves. Don't worry, these will fall down too, so don't worry about that. It's probably because my hair is like, it feels really soft, and it feels like more soft than it normally feels. I don't know, it's hard to explain it, but anyways, this is what it looks like. I'm in love with it, and I love it so much. I might actually do this on Christmas as well, and I did use this, obviously, y'all saw. And it is off. I am going to unplug it though, because some people might think that it's actually on when it's not, but it's off now and unplugged. And yeah, there's my baby girl right there licking herself. Hi, Hazel. Okay, she's ignoring me. But anyways, sorry I did not post this yesterday, but I'm posting it today so y'all can see it and all of that stuff. So comment down below what y'all think of my new hair. All right, anyways, love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.